Welcome back. We are discussing about the research processes. In previous lectures, I discussed research problems in which we understood what is research problem, how to define research problem, and what are the key features of a good research problem. The second step of research process is literature review. A review of relevant literature is an integral part of research process. It enables the researcher to formulate his problem in terms of the specific aspects of the general area of his interest that has not been so far researched. Through a proper review of the literature, the researcher may develop the coherence between the results of his study and those of the others. Literature review is the documentation of a comprehensive review of the published and unpublished work from secondary source of data in the area of specific interest to the researcher. The main aim is to find out problems that are already investigated and those that need further investigation. It is an extensive survey of all available past studies relevant to the field of investigation. It gives us knowledge about what others have found in the related field of study and how they have done so. The purpose of review is to gain background knowledge of the research topic, to identify the concepts relating to it, potential relationships between them, and to formulate researchable hypotheses, to identify appropriate methodology, research design, methods of measuring concepts and techniques of analysis, to identify data sources used by other researchers, to learn how others structured their report, how to conduct the literature survey. It is a most important thing to note how to do the literature review or literature survey. First point, identify the relevant source and extract and record relevant information from the identified source. And third step, write up the literature review. The source of literature could be a book and journals, electronic database like bibliographic database, abstract database, full text database, or government and industry reports, internet, research, dissertation, or thesis. These are the major sources of and literature. Recording the literature. The most suitable method of recording notes is the card system. The recording system involves use of two sets of cards. First set of card is a source card. It is used for noting bibliographic information. And second card is note cards. It is used for actual note taking. Means source card is a collection of sources of the relevant material, whether it is a book, whether it is journal, whether it is electronic or internet source. And note card is the collection of the data which is extracted from the source. Source card serve two purposes. Provide documentary information for footnotes or for references. It is used for compiling bibliography to give at the end of the report. Source cards can be coded by simple system in order to relate them to the corresponding notes card, just like B for books, J for journals, R for reports, etc. So that reviewer can identify this source, whether it is book, journal or report of a industry or government organization. The recording of bibliographic information for the source cards should be made in proper bibliographic format. For example, for a book, author name should be first, then year of the publication of the book, title of the book, place of publication of the book, and publisher name. For example, Kunj Hole 1980. The book title is Management, published in New Delhi, and the publisher is McGraw Hill International. Similarly, for journal or research article, this could be author's name first, then year of publication, title of the article, journal name, then volume number and pages. And few of the component just like year, volume number, pages can be placed one to another according to way of referencing, whether you are following the IEEE, whether you are following AIA. So different format could be as per the requirement of following the format of referencing. Note cards. The note cards detailed information extracted from a printed source is recorded on note card. Means note cards has the actual information which is extracted from the source. It describes to note a single fact or idea on each card. How to write the review? Let me tell you here I'm discussing. Write the review is not for the research paper. That is something different. Here we are discussing how to write the review for formulation the problem or initial level up while you are reviewing the research papers or articles or books. So, there are several ways of presenting the ideas of others within the body of the paper. For example, if you are referring the major influencing factor in the Sheets model of industrial buying behavior, it can be written as Sheets 1973 page number 50 has suggested that there are a number of influencing factors and then you can mention the name of the factors. Another way, according to SAIT 1973 model of industrial buying behavior, there are a number influencing factors such as you can name them. So this way you can write the review for a given book or report or a journal papers. Points to be kept in mind while reviewing the literature. First point, read relevant literature only. And second point, refer only original works. And third point, read with comprehension. And fourth point, read in time. And last point, index the literature. So this way you can do the complete literature review and it will help you in writing the research gap and definitely will help you in identify the actual problem and writing the research statement. Thank you. Previous lectures videos links are given in description. You can watch. Thank you.